Today I've come on a very solemn and sad occasion. The passing away of Sri Ramaji Rao is a big loss for the Telugu speaking world. He didn't confine himself to the Telugu world, but he contributed immensely in the world of journalism, in the electronic media, in small financing, and in very many industries as well. He's always worked through his entrepreneurial skills to take care of the small people, common people, poor people, and attended even in the rural areas to their needs. Today I'm here as a representative of Government of India. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has sent me as his emissary to pay his respects, Government of India's respects, and also to place a wreath of respect and homage. So I've come here, met up with the family, expressed Honorable Prime Minister's condolences, and placed the wreath. Thank you. ఇవాళ గౌరవనీయులు ప్రధానమంత్రి గారు శ్రీ నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు నన్ను కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వ సార్బన వారి సార్బన ఇక్కడ వచ్చి కండోలెన్సెస్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఒక కుటుంబస్తులతోటి మాట్లాడి